Fifth grade Shurley method, page 47. Exercise 2. Underline each verb or verb phrase. Identify the verb tense by writing a number 1 for present tense, a 2 for past tense, or 3 for future tense. And then we need to say the past tense form and then say if it's regular or irregular. Our dogs will growl at strangers. What is our verb or verb tense? Will growl. Is that present, past, or future? Future. Okay. What is past tense? Growl. Regular, irregular. Our dogs were growling at strangers. What's the verb or verb tense? Were growling. Future or present, past, or future? Past tense. Regular, irregular. Our dogs growled at strangers. What's the verb or verb tense? Growled. Present, past, or future? Past. Number 2. Past tense. Growled. Regular, irregular. Our dogs are growling at strangers. Verb or verb phrase? Present, past, or future? Past. Growled. Regular or irregular? Regular. Okay. You guys are going to do 5, 6, and 7 for homework. Okay. They have mixed tenses in the paragraph already, and they want you to change it to what? Present tense. It says change the underlying mixed tense verbs in paragraph 1 to present tense verbs in paragraph 2. They have been having us do past tense. This time they want present tense. As I enter a new store in a new section of town, I have a sinking feeling in the pit of my stomach. Shopping is not easy with a small amount of money, and my money has to stretch far. Enough for 3 presents. I walk. Remember, it's present tense, guys. Slowly down the aisle. Suddenly, the loudspeaker announces the winner of a 60-second shopping spree. I hopefully look at my ticket. Suddenly, I noticed something different about this store. Is that something? Is wonderfully different. I around and smile to myself as I for the shopping spree of my life. Everything is free for 60 seconds with the winning ticket I hold in my hand. So, like I said, you guys are doing 5, 6, and 7 for homework.